Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be how to work out at home, or how I work out at home, because that's basically what I'm going to explain. And if you can hear everything, the window's open, so I'm sorry about that. And she's helping again. So I'm just going to jump right into it. The first way I like to work out at home is DVDs, YouTube videos, basically anything that walks you through the workout. If I do YouTube videos, it's usually random HIIT workouts. Sometimes I'll find Zumba routines on there. And I occasionally will find, usually my YouTube videos when I work out are stretching. So yeah. Usually when I work out at home, I'm working out by DVDs. The first, and of course, if you watch my channel, you know I'm Zumba obsessed. And then I just got my Zumba instructor a few months ago, so yeah. And crap, I've got more DVDs over there that I got when I took the class that I will work out to as well. But these three are my favorites. And technically I'm going to call this 4 because there are 2 discs in this. I've got the Incredible Results set. So I've got Super Cardio Dance Party, and on the other side is Quick Start and 20-Minute Express. And then I've got Zumba Step and 30-Minute Burn and Amazing Abs. And if I am going to do Zumba at home, I do have the music I do for my class that I teach, and I have some of the music from another Zumba class that I go to. And I can just turn that on and work out to that. But the next way, still on DVDs, is depending on what I like to do, I have the 3 Dallas Cowboys cheerleaders workouts. They released these in like 2009, I believe it was 2009. And I have Calorie Blasting Dance, the Power Squad bod, and all that. And that's what that one looks like. You may be able to find these on Amazon or cmt.com. I still have them. I don't know. And then I have Hard Body Boot Camp, which I like this one. I think this is my favorite, which is so weird. And the next thing is Body Slimming Yoga. And I very rarely do the yoga one, but I will occasionally do it. But if I'm not using my Zumba DVDs or my cheerleader DVDs or working out through YouTube videos, I have like crazy little workout things that I do. Like I try once a week to do an ab workout at home. Sometimes it gets done twice. Usually it's once. I'm sorry about her. And most of the ab exercises I do are off DVDs that I've watched. And then the next way I work out at home is working out during commercials. Like if I watch TV and it's got commercials in it, I'll get up and do squats for one commercial, lunges for another one, jumping jacks. It's basically, so if there are 7 commercials, I do 7 different things. And that way it's not really a hard workout, but if I'm watching an hour-long TV show, I get a pretty good workout in. So I think that concludes these videos. And if you do want to see any of these workouts that I do, like I would totally make a video on my ab workout, or my couch workout as I call it, that usually gets done during TV shows as well. If I'm sitting on the couch and I feel like not sitting on the couch. I'll work out, but I'll still watch TV. So yeah. So I could totally do a video on that. So if you want a video on that, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, I'm going to end this video here. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you've not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.